What are the best stocks to day trade? And we're going to look at that right now. But before we dive into them, what makes a stock suitable for day trading? Well, a good day trading stock typically is going to have high liquidity. This means it's easy to buy and sell quickly at the price you're looking for. It also has significant price volatility. This means there's going to be opportunities to profit from price movements. You don't want to be stuck in a dead stock. Lastly, high trading volume. That ensures there's plenty of buyers and sellers in the market. Now, some of the best sectors to look at when you're looking to day trade is tech and biotech healthcare. So here's our top 5. Number 1, Rivian Automotive. The electric vehicle sectors and the volatility and the growth potential, this makes this an attractive option for day traders looking for quick movements in stock prices. Second is GameStop. And this has been a popular choice among day traders for a long time, given its history and the short squeezes and the high volatility. Now, this stock does require careful monitoring due to the potential for pretty rapid price changes, so keep this on your radar. Marathon Digital Holdings. This is a company that focuses on mining digital assets. It's listed on the NASDAQ. It represents the sector of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So its involvement in digital assets mining, this can lead to price volatility. That makes it a suitable candidate for day trading. ZoomInfo Technologies. This operates in the cloud-based market intelligence platform sector. So the tech industry's rapid growth and the company's innovative data solutions, this offers potential trading opportunities based on the market news and the performance. We also have clean energy fuels, and this is part of the renewable energy sector. And this focuses on natural gas as an alternative fuel for vehicle fleets. So that growing interest in sustainable and green energy, this can drive volatility and trading opportunities in stocks like this. Now, I selected these stocks based on their pricing, the potential for high volatility, and the sectors they represent, which should be of interest to day traders looking to capitalize on quick price movements. But you certainly have to do your own research and consider using tools like stock screeners to find your own setups on these. So let's say you decide you're going to trade Mara. You notice that the stock price has been fluctuating around $20. So you buy 5 shares, it costs you $100. And then during the day, you sell them at $21. This is a profit of $5. Now, this stock has an ATR around $2, which means that price moves during the day around $2 up and down. This very brief example just illustrates how day traders can take advantage of price volatility to make quick profits depending on your trading strategy. Now just multiply those 5 shares. Maybe you're using 20 shares, 30 shares, 40 shares. That's how you make money. So to wrap in this video up, the best stocks to day trade are those that are going to have high liquidity, they're going to have price volatility, and they're going to have some pretty high day trading volume. And these stocks that I showed you, they have some decent opportunities for day traders to profit from those short-term price movements. So you got to remember though, successful day trading, it's going to require some careful analysis, a solid trading plan, and effective risk management. I hope this information is going to help you on your path to day trading.